Hi my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect Nigerian egg roll. Super easy. This video contains the full recipe. Please ensure to check the description box for a detailed and list of ingredients and measurements. Thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your suggestions and comments in the comment section. I love to see them. Don't forget to share it too and enjoy this video. All right,